Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best beer travel camera for photography available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Panasonic Travel Camera. This 4K QFA HD video recording comes with 3 unique 4K Ultra HD video pause and save 4K photo modes, extracts individual high-resolution photos from 4K Ultra HD video filmed at 30 frames per second to capture split-second moments. It has low light capture, lets you enjoy photography during your nightlife again with impressive results. It has high-resolution 1,170K viewfinder and rear touch-enabled 3-inch LCD display. At number 4 we have Akaso Travel Camera. This professional 4K 30fps and 2.7K 30fps video with 16MP photos at up to 30 frames per second for incredible photos, which is 4 times the resolution of traditional HD cameras. It comes with a wrist 2.4G remote. You can capture the world in an all-new way. You can controlling the camera framing shots or recording video is convenient. It is built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI. Edit and share your action in minutes. You can just download app on your phone or tablet and connect with this action camera. At number 3 we have Panasonic Travel Camera. The lens-mounted control ring provides easier manual control for exposure, zoom and focus. That's leaving you free to concentrate on shutter operation. This intuitive design, precise focusing and smooth silent operation gives you total control of every photo and video you create. You can bring every subject in closer and more clearly with the Leica 24mm DC. This record comes with 100 FPS in HD resolution and 200 FPS in VGA. It comes with high-speed video. You can record any fast-moving action. At number 2 we have Canon Travel Camera. The Digic 7 image processor provides noise reduction even at high ISO settings to help capture sharp, detailed images in virtually any lighting situation. It also powers enhanced tracking and detection capabilities to help lock onto your subject throughout the action. A time-lapse movie function provides a fun creative option. At number 1 we have Panasonic Travel Camera. The 1-inch 20.1 megapixel high-sensitivity MOS sensor records 4K and high-quality photos in super sharp detail. This 4K video technology enables Ultra HD photography with the innovative 4K photo feature. You can simply capture ultra high-resolution 4K video at super fast 30 frames per second. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best travel camera for photographies for your need.